What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, alright? Got a lot of fake social media accounts out there, and y'all still getting scammed by these fake King Hussle pages on Instagram, Telegram, and YouTube. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody. Make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you getting what you paid for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, this video I'm gonna be telling y'all about Fifth Third Bank. Now, this play right here, a lot of people been getting approved for this. A lot of people been getting them $50,000 in loans and lines of credits with Fifth Third Bank, and I'm gonna run this play through y'all. I'm gonna help y'all get y'all some money. All right. So today we're gonna be talking about Fifth Third Bank, how you can get up to $50,000 in 48 hours. All you gotta do is make sure you got all your paperwork together, all your documents and all that together, and I promise you'll get approved for this $50,000 loan. All right. So before you guys get to jumping and trying to apply for these loans that you have no business applying for because your paperwork and your documents is in order, you need to follow these steps right here, because everything revolves around credit. And credit is different factors. They want to see your payment history, they want to see your debt, and they want to see your credit score. And those first two things will generate you a credit score, right? So everybody out there that's out there looking at their credit score on Credit Karma, stop doing that. Vintage 3.0 score is not your accurate credit score. You need to go get your Experian account, pay $25 a month. Once you pay that $25 a month, you will be able to see your credit scores on Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Once you're able to see your 3 FICOs, you will be able to see the debt on your credit. You will be able to see your payment history. You will be able to see everything that's going on, right? So once you see everything that's going on, okay, you got all these collections that's bringing your credit down. So what you're going to do is you're going to freeze all 3 of your credit bureaus across the board from TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Once you freeze them, you're going to go back and you're going to dispute all those collection accounts that's on your credit that's negatively impacting your credit score. Now, as I previously told you guys in a lot of different videos, any account that's 7 years or older is classified as expired. So those will be the accounts that you tackle first. Any other account that's newer than that, you might got a chance of it coming off. It depends on how you do what you need to do. So focus on those accounts that's 7 years or older, because those are going to be the first ones you start see falling off. Then you can make calls to certain bureaus and certain letters to certain bureaus for certain collections and get those off too, from evictions, bankruptcies, late payments, etc., etc. Right? So once you do all that cleaning, and then it's for the people out there who have no credit and just need to start building credit, this is what you guys are going to do. So you're going to go to creditstrong.com. Credit Strong will allow you to have up to $42,500 in installment trade lines added to your credit report. Now, there's different type of trade lines. There's primary trade lines and there's trade lines. Primary trade lines are trade lines that are primarily in your name, from financing TVs, furniture sets, anywhere, home loans, auto loans. Those are primary trade lines. And then the other trade lines is when you go buy them from Trade Line Supply, Credit Strong, and things like that. Credit Rent Boost, Ava, eCredible, Self. Those are trade lines, right? So by you having a mixture of primary trade lines, and you might go finance a couch, you might go finance a game system, you might go different things, different ways to get primary trade lines. So once you got a couple $1,000s in primary trade lines, you're going to go to creditstrong.com and you're going to get you up to $42,500 worth of trade lines from them. So let's say you're roughly at $50,000 in trade lines. Now every credit report is supposed to have a maximum, at least 5 credit cards on their credit report. So my little trick is instead of me getting all these credit cards and having them primaries, I'd rather go on trade line supply and get higher limit credit cards and leverage it that way, because it'd be better for me getting approved for certain loans and credit cards when I need to go do that. So instead of going to apply for all these credit cards, I'm gonna go on trade line supply, and all those accounts on there, the credit limit accounts, are all credit cards, authorized users. So these people has whatever they're selling, that's somebody's account, and they're selling it to you to be an authorized user. You won't get the card, but you get it reported on your credit every month. So if you go buy you a $20,000 credit card, a $30,000 credit card, and a $10,000 credit card, 30, 40, that's $60,000 right there. So you got $110,000 of credit being reported on your credit report, and you're gonna have exceptional payment history, because the trade lines that you get from Trade Line Supply is a one-time payment, and the trade lines that you get from Credit Strong are monthly payments, so you can have it stay on your credit report, age it, and build. You can age or mature your credit report. Now, other factors come in to getting these loans. You need to have a bank account, checking and savings, personal or business, either or both. You need to have a paper trail. If you don't have a job, you need to have somewhere showing where your money is coming from. You need to go get you an ADP payroll provider account, start generating your money through there. So now you're having paycheck stubs from whatever business go into your bank account, and they'll be able to see that. Now you got a paper trail for your money. Boom. Once you got that, now you got the documents that you're going to need, the bank documents that you're going to need to get approved for that loan. And as long as you got all those things right there, you should be in a good standing. So don't be lazy. Don't try to cut corners and jump steps, because if you do that, you will not get approved. But if you really pay attention and follow the instructions step by step, you will get approved, or have a great chance of getting approved. It might not be 50, but it might be 30. It might be 40. So make sure you guys are taking those steps in consideration, hearing what I'm saying, taking notes, following those steps, because you will have a better chance of getting approved. And without further ado, let's check out Fifth Third Fast Capital, Fifth Third Bank. They're giving up to $100,000 in loans, but we're going to focus on $50,000, because like I said, like we all know, any loan, $50,000 or less, you're going to have less documents to provide. But anything over is going to be a little bit harder to get. You're going to need a little bit more documents, a little bit more information. So without further ado, let's check out Fifth Third Bank and how you can get your $50,000 loan, no collateral, fair credit, bad credit. Let's check them out. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Fifth Third Bank, banking at your convenience. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up a bank account with them, because you want to start building a relationship with them, because as long as you build a relationship with the bank, you will have a better chance of getting approved for certain loans. Vice versa, if you have bad credit and you got a good relationship with the bank, you might even still get approved for that loan that you want. All right, so make sure you open up a personal bank account, checking and savings, in the business if you have your EIN number, and you have start building a relationship with them. All right, so boom, once you do that, now for the personal, they got loans, they got personal loans, they got at a glance, built for today's busy consumer in mind. This is a simple and convenient way to get the money you need with no collateral required. So features loan amounts from $2,000 to $50,000. Simple digital application for loan amounts up to $25,000. So if you want to get a loan up to $25,000, it's going to be a simple digital application, easy approval. Terms from 12 to 60 months. Annual percentage rates range from 8.74% to 21.49%. No closing costs or prepayment fee. Ability to select first payment date up to 45 days out. So that's the features of the signature loan. Just all you need is your signature with them. That's all you need is a signature. They're gonna go off what you know what I'm saying, what you say you make. Now you got the secure loan. You can get a secure loan up to $500,000. They got the lines of credit. You can get up to $100,000. This line of credit allows you to access funds where you need it with no collateral required. Line amounts from $5,000 to $100,000, up to 10% of verified liquid assets. 5-year draw period followed by a 10-year repayment period. Annual percentage rates range from 10.50% to 12%. 65 annual fee rate first year. Funds available via online transfer, checks, phone, or in branch. They got the secure line of credit. So they got the signature loan where all you need is your signature. They go off what you say you make. All stated income. Can't beat that. Now, when you go to the business side, you can go to business lending, and they got the additional sources for capital for small businesses. Fifth Third, fast capital, healthcare lending with provide SBA lending. So you go to Fifth Third Capital, right? So you got the fast business loans powered by Fifth Third Fast Capital. Speed is everything in the business. Your next opportunity shouldn't have to wait. With Fifth Third Fast Capital, it won't have to. Applying for a business line of credit or term loan to access approved funds as quickly as one business day. Fund your business needs. Need to purchase more inventory, hire more staff, create a new prototype. Fifth Third Fast Capital is a great solution for your business to thrive in a competitive market. You can get an unsecured line of credit or term loan to get the funds you need when you need them. Unsecured business line of credit and term loans. Get approval and access funds as little as one business day. Loan amounts from $10,000 to $100,000. No collateral necessary for approval. Minimal documentation requirements. Available through Foundation, a partner of Third Bank. All right, so all business loans and lines of credit are subject to credit review and approval. That's if you don't got a bank account with them. If you got a bank account with them, you can get the signature loan, and you have a better relationship and have a better chance of getting approved for these loans. All right, so make sure y'all going to tap in with Fifth Third Bank. A lot of people been getting approved. A lot of people been following the steps and really getting the money that they need to do whatever they want. It's up to you to either blow it or use it, utilize it, and better your life, better your situation. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about Fifth Third Bank and how you can get these $50,000 on the personal or the business side. Personal, signature, business, minimal document, no documents. Let's talk about it. All right, so let's talk about it. Fifth Third Bank, they out here giving out $50,000 signature loans, and they giving out $50,000 no doc loans. All right, anything over $50,000, you're gonna need a little bit more documentation. They're gonna want to see a little bit more. But like I said, make sure you open up a bank account with them. Make sure you open up a checking and savings on the personal side. Make sure you open up a checking and savings on the business side. As long as you got your EIN number, and you can get approved for 50 on the business and 50 on the personal, and now you got your 100. So make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all follow them steps in the beginning of the video so you can have a better chance of getting approved for these loans, lines of credits, and the things that you need. Because like I said, it's 3 factors that they check when you get approved for these loans: your payment history, your DTI, and your credit score. The first 2 is what's going to generate your credit score. All right, so make sure y'all got y'all payment history together. Make sure y'all got y'all payroll provider accounts generating y'all money through there, so you can start building the paper trail so they can see that, get bank statements, and have a better chance of getting approved. Because a lot of people be saying they need bank statements. A lot of people be saying they need a lot of the same things. So if you follow these steps, you'll be able to generate the things that you need and be successful. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Shout out to all my real fans, old fans, new fans, subscribers, old subscribers, new subscribers, supporters, new and old, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep going. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping this sauce, and y'all motivate me, keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get credit lessons, you want to learn how to clean your credit, build your credit, get loans, lines of credits, and credit cards, it's going to be $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. So make sure you tapping into my credit repair business, New Age Credit Repair. Also, anybody out there looking to get basic lessons, you want to be taught one topic, one thing, FaceTime 101 is going to be $500. So make sure y'all tapping in on that. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Also, anybody out there looking to get unlimited gems, FaceTime 101 is going to be $1,200. You can learn about CPNs. You can learn about how to invest. You can learn how to make passive income on social media. You can learn about credit, how to clean and build it. You're going to learn, get the documents. You're going to get everything that you need, all right? So it's limited gems. Whatever you need to know, I'm going to tell you. So make sure you tap it in. Also, make sure y'all book your seat on the crypto tour, in-person limited gems. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. If I got to come to you, it's going to be $4,500. If you come to me, it's going to be $3,500. $500 deposit, the rest of the money will be meet in person, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in. Come and get these unlimited gems in person, running up this bag. Also, make sure y'all come to get y'all mentorship, $2,500. It's going to be all the limited gems, plus we're going to make money together. We're going to do this YouTube automation channel together. We can make 1, 2, 3, 4, it don't matter. As long as you're ready to put in that work and that grind to build that channel, we're going to do it, and we're going to make a lot of money. So if it start making 10, you get 5, I get 5. If it start making 20, you get 10, I get 10. Easy as that. As long as you put in the same time, grind, and effort and work, we have no problems. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, cameraman, you name it. Any rapper out there, any singers out there, y'all want to get y'all music heard, y'all want to start, get y'all chain, get y'all watch, start making money with y'all music, tap in. Music reviews is $200. If you don't got $200 to invest in yourself, why should I invest $200,000 plus into you and your career? Make it make sense. Also, any models out there, any beautiful ladies out there, you ready to elevate, you ready to grow, build your platform and your brand. Tap in, let's work. It's a lot of women out there that's missing out on their opportunity because of their attitude. It's a lot of women out there that's missing out on their opportunity because they think they ish don't stink. Listen, if you got an opportunity to be put in different positions that you can't put yourself in, and somebody's genuinely trying to do it, don't blow it. Because you never know, you might not get that opportunity again. Somebody might not, no one else probably won't see the potential in you that they see in you, and you might blow your opportunity. So please have a good attitude. Please be ready to work. Please be able to travel. Please be open-minded. When I be my open-minded, you're not going to be doing one thing. You're going to be doing skits, blogs, interaction with the fans. We might go out of town and do relationship questions with random people on South Beach or something like that. We might go do some skits or something like that. I might even have you doing some music. You never know. As long as you give yourself more than one opportunity to do different things, different avenues, you will be successful. All right, and that's what we do over here at H&E. We give ourselves different avenues to be successful. All right, so any beautiful ladies out there ready to tap in, ready to grow, build a platform and a brand, tap in. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. You don't got a good head on your shoulders, I can't work with you. All right, so make sure you're tapping in. Also, any producers, any cameraman out there, got a good camera, 4K or better, got good editing, got good transitions, got good FX effects, masking, color grading, all that, tap in. Content equals views, views equals money. The more content we put out, the more views we'll get, the more money we'll make. So I'm trying to put together a real team of individuals that's willing to work, that's ready to work, and ready to put in the grind and the effort over time so we can really take off and make these millions together, all right? So make sure y'all tapping into the production company. Also, make sure y'all come and tap in with that Cash App Glitchy $250. You're going to get the Cash App Glitchy. You're going to get the car cracking sauce, and you'll get one free fully for $250. Cash App a Bitcoin payment. Make sure you contact me on my Telegram. My link is in the description, my community post, so you can't miss it. When you contact me, make sure you send me that screenshot of the $250 being on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance. If you do not send me that screenshot when you write me, it's either going to be you be blocked or it's going to be an extra $100 added on to your purchase. All right, so make sure y'all follow instructions. Following instructions will get you very far in life. All right, so without further ado, y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace. A little dry skin on my nose. Yeah, peace.